Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this Bellatrix-inspired DTI look for you. So here we are channeling the dark, chaotic glam of Bellatrix Lestrange and the result, pure villain slay. If you want to create this look, let me show you the steps. So let's just start with the hair. So for the hair in here, I'm going to use some of the hairstyle. First, I'm going to put on this wavy hairs and use a dark brown color. These two in here. Use the dark brown color, and then I'm going to combine it with this curly hair. This curly hair in here. And also this hair. Use the same color. And last one, I'm going to use this messy updo hair, this one, and also in the same color. So once you're done with the hair, you can start creating the outfit. First, let's create the, I'm going to just grab this midi skirt in here and toggle it into white, and then I'm going to grab this set. And in here, I'm going to only use the skirt. So to go it into skirt and change the color into black. Sorry, for this previous skirt also in black. So you'll get this look. And then I'm going to grab this shoe, color it all black. And in here, I'm going to grab this sleeves, toggle it into number 3 and color it black. And then let's finish the outfit with some of the code and also currency item. But first, let me grab this necklace for the accessory, color it black. And in here, I'm going to go to the fitting room in here, the dressing room, and use this jackets and toggle it into top only. Okay, and I'm going to grab this top from the witch sets and change the first color into black, second and the third into dark gray like this. Then I'm going to also grab this dress, toggle it into only skirt, and change the color using these patterns in here. Okay, so now the Bellatrix look is done, and this is the final result. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.